Hi friends, myself this is Raju. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I know all members is good. Okay. I will now say how to make a good money. It will come and tell you about Litecoin and more withdraw features. I give the link in description. You open it from there. This is what it looks like when open, register and login. Okay, I open the site. Okay, there is showing login and register. New people is registering. Enter the register. Please provide your email and password. And again confirm password. So select the I am not a robot and get started. So I'm already registered. So I just log in. Okay, enter the my password and login. I am not a robot. Login. Dashboard is look like this. There are many options here. You select the dashboard. 3 steps. Okay, there is many options is short links, PTC, auto faucets, claim faucet. More options is okay. I enter the one link, short links. I explain the whatever. I proceed the leave. Links is available. Present 37 links is available. So total coins is here. So 47 crores 55 lakh 4 4 crores 75 lakhs 50,000. So it is so totally 37 links. There is total 37 links. Each link 13 lakhs giving points. So I enter the first one. It is going open. Please check the captcha box to proceed to the destination page. There is coming captcha. You just I am not a robot, select. Some ads coming, so skip it. Sometimes ads coming, skip it. I am not a robot, and click here to continue. Then next page going. There are many ads coming in these sites. Next page is opening. Wait 4 seconds. Your link is scanning. So wait that moment. Okay. There is continue option. Open that continue. There is coming the link, GT link. Your link is almost ready. So ads is coming. Not to mention that. So wait 1 seconds. Just keep it. Get the link. Okay. Good job. 13 lakhs there is has been added to your balance. Okay. I'm showing my balance. Please open the dashboard. Okay, there is 13 lakhs points showing. Okay, it is more use benefits. So now you just watch it, observe it. Short links is 36 before 37. Now one short links is complete, so 36. And upper is auto faucet. There is one option. It is 2 minutes in 1 lakh coins is giving. So auto faucet in. So I wait the 2 minutes. I will live in. I will progress the coins. First of all, this is a excellent app. I never before that app. It is like more coins is giving Litecoin, Fiora, Satoshi. More features is there. So I will explain that all. Yeah, it is 1 minute. Okay, there is, please wait, the seconds is complete. So 0.1 completed. So okay, good job. 1 lakh coins has been added to your balance. It is okay. Dashboard opening. Yeah, please check 14 lakhs coins is here. Before 13 lakhs, now 1 lakh coin is adding. So another claim faucet. Is it best one? So is it only 1 minute to coming 1 lakh points? So it is select. There is, please carefully instructions. 2 plus 2 4 4, there is selecting. 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 3 7. I am not a robot. Select that. Sometimes images coming like aeroplane, boat, cycle, bicycle. That images in selecting. Select, collect your reward. It is fastly coming coins. So you like it. 1 lakh coins has been added to your balance. So I open the dashboard. Before 14 lakhs, now 15 lakhs. So claim faucet in. I am searching only 41 seconds. Oh, it is 1 minute only. Like, so that time in another site I will tell that more. You just I just withdraw the price. I explain that. So total is 15 lakhs coins is available. So select method. There is 4 options is available. Fee or faucet pay. 1 coin is called file Satoshi equal. So Tron faucet pay 1 coin is equal to 0.85 Satoshi equal. Litecoin is equal to 1 coin is equal to 0.0004 Satoshi equal. So it is Dogecoin faucet pay. So 1 coin is equal to 0.25 Satoshi. So I will that forward Litecoin and faucet pay wallet or ID. You know the ID, faucet pay in ID. You know that? I will explain that. There is a linked address. So there is Litecoin address. So that one copied and select that. Here paste. So faucet pay wallet or ID withdraw. So you hear that. Good job. 600.004 Satoshi has been sent to account. 14 lakhs coins is equal 600 Litecoin coins added. So I will check that amount in faucet pay account. Please check that. I just withdraw that amount 600 LTC Fiora account to 600 LTC. So totally my Litecoin is 7529. So before I redeem that amount, so it is, I already one time withdraw that amount Fiora to Fiora coins. Click faucet Fiora bitcoins. Sometimes wallet estimate is equal to 0.07. So it is best one. I prefer that claim faucet. It is best. Only 1 minute in 1 lakh coins is coming. So there is select. Please click on the antibot links in the following order. 683 numbers is. So you select that. 6 means 3 plus 3 6, 8 means 4 2 into 4 8, so 3 means 1 plus 2 3. So I select that and collect your reward. So good job, 1 lakh coin has been added to your balance. So I check the balance. So you observe it, 1 lakh coins is here, and that 1 minute in auto faucet open. So your wish, all of people what do you next? PTC in 9 ads available, total 4,50,000. So it is also same. LT is high payout earnings at free, daily $1 earnings, instant payout free. So it is 50,000 coins is coming, 5 seconds waiting. This go back to home, 3 seconds. Oh, so complete the captcha to get reward. So sometimes captcha is not clearly, you select that. There is HCAPTCHA and solve media. Solve media means looks like captcha working entry. HCAPTCHA means images coming, some images coming. So captcha is not clear, then HCAPTCHA enter. So the now captcha is clear. Look bath, enter that. Correct spell, verify. So ad is coming, that you fit. So you observe it, 50,000 coins has been added your balance. So now 8 ads available. My checking 8 dashboard in my balance, 1,50,000. So you observe it, and there is another option, referral option is coming, 30% referral commission for every member who referral, and energy 1300 plus. We are paying the highest amount in short links, so claim short links now. It is best to movement, and it is best app Litecoin for Litecoin or Fiora or Dogecoin, Tron. Best way to earn coins. Please install that. Thank you.